topic, everyday trending. Put me on people's double XL, but I triple the profit. I came out snapping hoes, thought I was garbage. I'm dropping vid out the vid, now they watching. You can go get it, YouTube, Apple Music. When I said I'm the biggest, I did more than prove it. I'm on the beat, know this shit an exclusive. PPM every week, know we shoot a new movie. Ayy, go get our new movie. When I said I'm the biggest, I did more than prove it. I'm on the beat, know this shit an exclusive. PPM every week, know we shoot a new movie. Ayy, go get our new movie.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl 627 Heavy Ripping PPM Pretty BigLxii, and we're back with a cooking video and a story time. Today we're making birria tacos because my little brother loved those things, honestly. And I wanted to tell y'all what story I want to tell y'all today. Let me since I'm cooking, let me give y'all some relationship advice and some, you know what I'm saying, a little relationship story time. So, we gonna talk about the first time I cheated. Dun dun dun. Honestly, okay, let's get into it. Let me see. When is the first time I cheated? Alright, I want to say this was with boyfriend number 2. Okay, so boom. Let me just tell y'all how it went. Because, you know, when a woman cheat is different. So, yeah. When a man cheat, a man just, you know, looking for sex or whatever. But when a woman cheat, you know what I'm saying, we do be, you know what I'm saying, weighing the odds a little more. So, moral of the story, look, I'm talking to this real laid back, chill homebody, right? The other nigga was the complete opposite, like out and about, fun, you know, on the edge. So, Mr. Stay at Home used to give me everything I want, drop that thing off and some out. But Mr. Stay at Home was also boring too. And even though he was dropping that thing off, it was kind of like he wasn't dropping it in a way that I wanted. So, moral of the story, fast forward, I'm talking to option number 2. Now, option number 2, keep in mind, he got a girlfriend too. We both ain't shit. But at the same time, like, I really just feel like things happen for a reason. And yeah, I mean, no excuses, but at the same time, like, shoot, we both was cheating. So, birds of a feather type shit. Fast forward, okay, we were texting and stuff back and forth and just, you know, doing stuff we had no business when it came down to the lust part of it. So fast forward, one day I'm asleep in the bed with my my little mans, you know what I'm saying, my main giant, and then boom, I'm asleep. He going through my phone while I'm asleep. So that's where the whole trust was broken. And you could tell when you break somebody's trust because they not acting the same. They not, you know, giving you that same energy that they was giving you before. So boom, he go through the phone. I'm asleep. Shoot, I'm slick. Not even, you know, I ain't up, but you know how somebody moving around you, so you would get up for a second and go back to sleep. Cause mind you, I'm in the bed with my nigga. I ain't thinking, you know, nothing crazy. So fast forward, the nigga got through the phone. No, he didn't, you know what I'm saying, slap me out my sleep or nothing. But at the same time, if it was me, I would have, you know what I'm saying, most definitely did that. But anyway, he see that we you know, cheating. Well, he see that I'm cheating, then he get to cheating. So honestly, I did feel some type of way because first off, we both can't be cheaters now. Like, come on now, bro. Somebody gotta be faithful. But moral of the story, after he found out, that's when he started moving different, acting different. Then one day I hit him with the, let me see your phone. He like, shit, bitch, I already seen yours. You know what I'm saying? But he ain't say that. He was just like, you know what I'm saying, oh, acting funny with his phone, didn't want to show it, didn't want to give it to me, this, that, and the third. So I was like, shoot, I mean, we could really be over with if you gonna be, you know what I'm saying, secretive with your phone and shit. If you gonna be, you know what I'm saying, high and shit, when, you know what I'm saying, I'm over here really doing some reverse psychology shit, but whole time I'm the one that the psychology done got motherfucking reversed on. So fast forward, he like, yeah, alright, bitch, yeah. Nah, I'm just playing. He ain't say that, y'all. But he was like, oh well, we just gonna have to break up then, this, that, and the third, da da da. And then I was like, okay, go bring me all my stuff that's at your house. And he was like, okay, cool, bet, this, that, and the third. You could tell he still had a little feelings and stuff like that. Like, the feelings weren't really just gone completely on either side. But at the same time, like, so much wrong was done. It was like, come on now. Let's just be realistic. Let's be honest, you know, with each other and shit like that. But moving forward, I can say that I'm probably a repeat offender when it comes to cheating. I did it once and then I did it again. But the second time it was because one, I wasn't feeling the person I was with, and instead of admitting it and just leaving him alone, cutting him off completely, I just went and cheated. And then I had, you know, when you do something wrong, your ass get to acting like, you know what I'm saying, you get to trying to put your actions off on the next person. So I'm, you know, asking him, where you at, what you doing, this, then the third, but whole time I'm the problem. So fast forward, once I realized that, I was like, damn, I gotta change my ways. So lately I just been focusing on being to myself, not trying to spread no hurt to nobody, and like, you know what I'm saying, be confusing or inconsistent. Like, I don't wanna be like that. That shit ain't right. You know what I'm saying? I ain't even, you know what I'm saying, I don't think none I did was right. I ain't, you know, knocking the fact that what I did was wrong, da da da. Like, I'm the type of person, you live and you learn, you know what I'm saying? We all done been cheated on before. I felt like with me being in a previous relationship where I just got cheated on and stuff like that, it went from me being the one cheated on to becoming a damn cheater. So yeah, after that, we go our separate ways and whatever. But he still love this thing. I ain't gonna lie. Your girl puts it down. They all do. They all still love it, really. But yeah, it's just me as a person. The personality is tequila. But yeah, so fast forward, moving forward, what I did want to say is, I do apologize to those people, and the past is the past, so we moving forward, and I've been working more on healing and actually, you know, separating those feelings and those bad habits from the new person I'm trying to become and the new woman I want to be. So yeah, but that comes with self-love. You gotta practice self-love, because if you don't have self-love, then you don't have no love. You can't love someone else if you don't love yourself, and that's just 100%. Because if you keep trying to love the next person and you don't even love yourself, you gonna look for happiness in that person, and then you gonna be even more screwed, chop and screwed. But yeah, moral of the story, fast forward, yeah, I ain't gonna lie, I made that motherfucking blueberry lemonade from the blueberries off the tree that I grew outside. And when I tell you that blueberry lemonade was so good, bruh, Like, I wanted to bite the container. That's how good this shit was. Oh, and I'm coming close to the end of cooking my damn tacos and shit like that. So, boom, we really just plating it up right here. Yeah, that shit good. I ain't gonna lie, I be cooking good as fuck. Sometimes I be shocking myself, like, with all the stuff I be making and shit. But at the same time, this shit kind of built in, you know what I'm saying? Because it just comes so easy. Like, I'm a Gemini, so if you a Gemini, you know, we got multiple talents, like a mix up of talents that just, hey, we just come with a good, you know what I'm saying, mix of shit. Then I'm left-handed too. I'm a Gemini and I'm left-handed. Like, I'm so fucking elite, bruh.